This is our collection video for the wallets that we have for sale so far. So first we have this polka dot bifold wallet. It has 3 pockets lined with white trim, and then a secret pocket and a clear ID slot, and of course your billfold. This wallet will be $4, and if it's not sold within 2 to 3 weeks, we will be keeping it because we really like it.
Next we have this nice purple with the splattered paint, duct tape around the outsides. When you open it, there's 3 nice, perfect card-fitting pockets. Then there is a clear ID slot and a hidden pocket back there. And of course your billfold. And this wallet is $4.
Next we have the zebra pin bifold. You open it up and it has 3 pockets lined with red. It has your secret pocket and your clear ID slot right there, and your billfold, of course. And this wallet is also $4.
You guys are probably thinking that all of our wallets are girlish wallets. Well, guess what? We made this nice graffiti wallet, and there's 3 nice card-fitting pockets. There's 1 ID pocket, and of course, your billfold, and this one is $4.
Next we have this zebra and black change pouch. So zebra in the back, and then zebra in black, and it has a piece of Velcro. And then you open it up, and there's a spot for all your change. So this will be $3.
Next there is this nice rainbow change pouch, and it's rainbow on both sides, and then there's this yellow strip of duct tape, and then you open it, and there's your nice change pouch, and this one is also $3.
Next we have this woman's wallet, and it's red and zebra, and then it has this piece of Velcro strap right here. Open it up and it has 12 pockets and 2 billfolds. That's 1 and 2, and this wallet will be $7.
This wallet will also be $7, and it's another lady's wallet, and you open it, there's 6 card pockets, there's 1 ID pocket, and 1 change pouch, and this wallet is, like I said, $7. So
if you want to buy one of our wallets, you can comment below, comment your color. We do have more colors, so we can custom make a wallet for you if we have that color. So yeah, comment the color, the style of the wallet you want, and how many wallets you want. We will be starting to make package deals where, like, for example, you can get like this kind of wallet with a little change pouch that comes together. So like the both zebra. So stuff like that, and we'll decide price and stuff on that later.
So next we also have designs that you can put. So Lululemon, DC, TNA, there is Element, Apple, and Monster that you can put on your wallets, and also you can put like an alphabet letter or a number. So if you would like any of that, then just comment what you want.
We will also leave an email, so if you don't want to comment, or you don't have a YouTube account and you can't comment, email us, and it works the same way. So thank you for watching our video.